Fleetwood Mac there, here on MTV's Greatest Hits. And in fact, Mick Fleetwood and also Peter Green, who was the original guitarist in Fleetwood Mac,